Day 29 Vocabulary.
분,
Person, honorific.
분,
Person, honorific.
분,
Person, honorific.
daek,
Home, honorific.
daek,
Home, honorific.
daek,
Home, honorific.
성함,
Name, honorific.
성함,
Name, honorific.
성함,
Name, honorific.
연세,
Age, honorific.
연세,
Age, honorific.
연세,
Age, honorific.
계시다,
To be, exist, hun.
계시다,
To be, exist, hun.
계시다,
To be, exist, hun.
드시다,
To eat, drink, hun.
드시다,
To eat, drink, hun.
드시다,
To eat, drink, hun.
주무시다,
To sleep, hun.
주무시다,
To sleep, hun.
주무시다,
To sleep, hun.
말씀하다,
To speak, hun.
말씀하다,
To speak, hun.
말씀하다,
To speak, hun.
감사하다,
To thank.
감사하다,
To thank.
감사하다,
To thank.
죄송하다,
To be sorry.
죄송하다,
To be sorry.
죄송하다,
To be sorry.
부탁하다,
To request.
부탁하다,
To request.
부탁하다,
To request.
처음,
First time.
처음,
First time.
처음,
First time.